Hey, Jamie Smith, cfprotools.com. Just wanted to share a quick video. Quick shout out to Michael Elson. He had shot a video earlier about how to change out on a thank you page, send a link, your button, to another URL that actually included the email address, so that you, if you had a survey or something like that, if you wanted to start that and append the email address to that URL, you could do that. So I just wanted to make the script a little bit easier to use and actually make it a little more portable, so you can drop it in any of your thank you pages and actually use any of the links on the page. All you have to do is append, put a little # email # into URL, and it'll automatically find those URLs on the page and swap out that with the actual email address that gets submitted. So I just want to run through how to install that script and how to use it and set up your buttons real quick. So we're inside of my ClickFunnels account. I'm going to go into my thank you page here. I'm going to click edit the page. And I'm going to go in, and what I want to do is actually go to the settings tab. And actually, the first thing I want to do is actually grab my code. So I'm going to go in here. This is my script. You can grab that down below. I'm going to copy that script. I'm going to go into tracking codes, and then footer custom tracking. I'm going to paste that script in there, and I'm going to save it. And then what I want to do is go to my button, because this is where I want the button click to actually append my email address on the URL into the URL on here. So I'm just going to do a sample. So I'm just going to have this go to Google, but I'm going to make the Q equals ampersand, or I'm sorry, # email pound. So that email pound, that is going to find if there is an email parameter on the URL. It's going to grab the value of that, and it's going to insert it into this URL on any link on the page, any button on the page. It's going to do that. So you can put that URL action into any link or button on the page. So let's go ahead and save that. And then I'm just going to click preview here. It's going to load initially, and there is no email parameter on this URL. We see this, question mark. Parameters are basically anything that comes after the question mark. You'll see this one's called Cache Buster. So we'll see if we hover over here now, it shows us that the URL is currently google.com $Q equals # email #. It didn't get replaced. But let's go ahead and add ampersand email equals Jamie at cfprotools.com, and then if we go ahead and hit enter there, then the page will reload. And now if we mouse over this, then we'll notice that the URL down in the bottom left actually goes to google.com $Q equals Jamie at cfprotools.com. So let's go ahead and click that, and it will take us, and you'll notice that now we are at Google with Jamie at cfprotools.com in the question. So there we go. So that's how that script works. So hopefully you find that useful, and I'll talk to you again real soon.